We're doing what?
We're doing Garrett explains his art.
That's a good idea.
Mhm.
Which side do you want to do on this one?
Both of them.
Okay, hold it up and tell me what's going on there.
This is Jesus walking in the water, and those two guys were so scared, and God said, storm, do not come. And I colored it all yellow because I like it all yellow.
Oh, okay.
And this side,
What's that side?
that's me learning my A. That's me living with Gunner, and then that's my name, and that's Gunner's name because that's Gunner. That's me.
That's
I'm
you?
the big guy.
You're the big guy?
Mhm.
What's that blue stuff on your face?
Oh, that's just water coming on top of my nose, then dripping in my nose.
Why is it dripping in your nose?
Because it's water. It's water.
I know what water is, but why is it dripping in your nose?
Because it's.
Where did it come from?
It came from Gunner's water milk, and I like water milk, but that's the end.
But what's water milk?
Water milk is poison.
It is?
You do not drink poison. It's bad for your mouth. And the end.
Yeah, but I don't understand. You said you liked water milk.
Oh, I did not.
You didn't say that?
No. It just dripped in my nose and just fell into my mouth. Then I spit it out, but it's still in there. Then it made me dead. But then I froze. Then I fell down and died.
You did?
Mhm.
When did this happen?
Oh, that was when the afternoon that I died in heavens. I died in heavens because I was God's son. And the end.
Well, that's a lot to digest.
Next.